Okay, so I got a fireplace surround to do here. It's going to be this black marble here. Turn this around. That black marble going to go all the way around. I have this just piece of 2-inch curdy board and then another 1/2 inch on top of that just to brace it, so when I put the tile on here the tile won't slide. And so it's going to be like a 9-inch piece top and bottom, another 9-inch piece there, 9.5, 9.5, and then they're going to be 12 inches long. Going to be a piece in the middle, and it's pretty straightforward. Shouldn't take long to do. We got the first 5 tiles cut. Now I'll get that side there and we'll go up. Okay, so this is my bottom tile. I have 2 tiles here. Up to here is about 22 inches. So just under 22 inches. So I'm going to have about a 10.5 inch piece from here to there, and a 10.5 inch piece from there to there. This tile obviously is going to go straight across there like that. So I'm going to cut this first tile, and then I'll cut that tile after I get this one on. Okay, so I cut this tile. This goes here. So this is a cut edge, and this is a cut edge here. So you want to make sure you smooth it, because I'm going to have a finished edge here and a finished edge here. I want to make sure that I smooth this off so that you don't see the roughness of the cut edge. So just get a rubbing stone. I don't know if you can see it, but that's the sanded edge, and that's the cut edge. It's hard to see because this is black. Okay, so I got both sides done. This is in line with that, and I got these 3 pieces cut. By the way, this is granite, it's not marble. Okay, so that's it. Oh. Okay, so that's it. I'm actually not going to be grouting this one. I don't have time for it, so the GC is going to grout this one.